Hello guys, I got my shipment from AliExpress. This is a watch which can check my blood glucose level and other activities. So especially I ordered for the glucose level to check. So this is uh, so this is the first look. I hope. Actually, this watch helps to measure your blood glucose level, and other than other same other functions which have other watches. You can wireless charge, you can track your activities, those things. So especially I need for blood glucose level and heart rate, those things. So I contact seller is good. I will show you everything in my screen. Seller responds, and they said that the blood glucose level, there's an error like 13%. And I checked the comments, also reviews. In the reviews they are saying everything accurate. Let's see whether it's accurate or what. It's this one around like 44 USD. Okay. I will show you where I purchased, the seller, everything. Looks good. It has like this cover. I think looks very nice. You can see the watch. And this one I selected silicone strap because maybe I can use in the water, so I did not use selected the leather, so maybe it will break, so I used the silicone. So watch looks good. uh, these are the things, the watch. You can see there's one button, there's one more something here, there's one more button here, there's nothing here. You can see the back side. This website says this is waterproof. Let's see. This is a belt. I mean, not looks too much like cheap. I mean, okay, looks very good, not that cheap. I mean, quality wise, okay, little heavy. This is a cover. So what else inside the box? So nothing here. Something, yeah, about paperworks, about the watch, and what else? This one here, and this one. This is, I think, not wireless. I think this one. Okay, anyhow. This is a cable. Just need to plug somewhere. I think here. Maybe need to remove this cover. I don't know. I will find out. Maybe here for the charging. Let me find out where to charge. Let me on. Let me charge. Let me on. Then I will come back. Thank you. Okay, guys. I plugged here with the USB, and this is watch. Just in the other end, you just need to keep it here. There's a magnet. Okay. Yeah, it will plug like that. See, I think there's a charge. Yeah, 100% charge, so no need to charge. That is how. Not wireless. Yeah, it's okay. It looks same like wireless. So it's on. So this is the looks. Touch is fine. This has I can see workout, sorry. These are the things: heart rate, blood pressure, ECG, blood oxygen, body temperature, blood glucose. This is important for me. Let me check whether this is accurate, or I will show you. I will compare with my the meter, alarm, weather, music. These are the things: settings, screen, health, switch, notification, system, E400. uh, mm, Brightness, I think here. I don't know, I will find out how to do. I just received it only. So health monitor, these are the same things. So what is the camera? Yeah, I think through Bluetooth I can open the camera, so I can change this watch face. mm, Let me check what what other things I have. Another watch with this Samsung, this one Samsung Galaxy, Samsung, I think watch 4. I don't remember. This is watch 4 classic, but doesn't have blood glucose measuring thing. So this watch 4, I like it, good. I use now like 1 year, no issues, but I want this one. So let me check everything whether it's working or fine, and I'll let you know, guys. This is looks okay. It's cheap, 44 something dollar, and it's okay, cheap. But only thing I paid extra for delivery should not be, because AliExpress should mention then the locally, if you deliver to United Arab Emirates, there will be another extra charges. So we are aware. So we don't aware once the reach to the local courier M Post, Emirate Post. They call me and they said the package is received and you have to pay 34, 35, totally 35, 34, 50 bills. Um, Disappointed. Okay, this is one time purchase. I don't think so I'll purchase again. This is complicated. So the Banggood, I purchased from Banggood more than 3 4 thousand USD. I have purchased so many things. They never charge, and the delivery is very quick. They send to the UAE. The local courier will pick up and they will deliver. No any headache. They will just directly. But impose, I have to follow up. I called so many times because supposed to deliver yesterday. Then because they sent me message and they said when you want the delivery, everything they ask date time, but they didn't deliver yesterday, so they delivered today. What if I'm not in the home this time? There's no call before they deliver. They didn't, they just call, okay, I'm coming. What if I'm at work, how can I receive? So because tomorrow holiday, day after tomorrow holiday, so it will take maybe another 4 5 days to deliver again, you know so I happy. Let me check. I need only that blood glucose, whether it works, because this function not available in many watches. This is some kind of unique function. Buttons are not that, I mean, okay, it's not little bit cheap quality, but